Hi everybody, how to release your loyalty points in your monthly shop. Melaleuca has a generous loyalty reward system similar to frequent flyer and other rewards that you can use at the checkout. Melaleuca calls them loyalty shopping dollars. You can earn up to 20% in loyalty shopping dollars, so they are worthwhile. Each product has a number of loyalty points depending on its value. As you do your monthly shop, the points for each product are shown next to the price. These are added to your cart to view at the checkout, where you can redeem them. In order to redeem loyalty shopping dollars, you are required to earn them by watching informative short videos about the products and the company. Once you are logged in, you can go to the Learn to Earn page. This page gives you an overview of the program. On the Learn to Earn page, you'll find a number of informative videos that give valuable information about the wonderful products in our range. Each video shows the viewing time. After you watch the video and answer a few multiple choice questions, you can't cheat, your loyalty points will be released for you to spend. Every video has a different point value. Work your way through the videos one at a time. Each video provides information either about Melaleuca the company and its formation, where you'll be introduced to the founder of the company, Frank van der Sloot. He will tell you why he wanted to create a shopping club. Product videos describe the natural ingredients, explain how and when to use each product and the concentrate power, and discuss the environmental benefits. You can also learn about Melaleuca's research into antioxidants, free radicals, and the oligopatents that significantly enhance mineral absorption and preserve antioxidant vitamins. Just by listening to Learn to Earn, you will release your accrued points, turning them into loyalty dollars to spend in our shop. When you get to the checkout, you can click on any item in your monthly shop that you wish to pay for with your loyalty dollars instead of your hard-earned cash. Loyalty dollars are perfect to treat yourself to a special skin cream or just make an extra saving on your monthly shop. I often treat myself to something from the beautiful Cybella skincare and makeup range. There's something for every age and stage of life and for every skin type, beautifully presented and most importantly sensational products. Thanks for joining me on this Learn to Earn tour. Till soon, blue skies.